Wow. Lord. Look at Tobago. On Monday, the 31st of March, I decided to do something extremely crazy, and that was to take my first ever 15K fitness challenge through the rainforest. You could complete this challenge by either walking, hiking, running, or even cycling. Here's how it went. What? Oh man, that's legal. Anyways. Now having some breakfast here. Time is 7:37. It's a Valley and a Gatorade. Coming up on 5K. Damn. Yeah, 5K. The rainforest truly is a beautiful place. Yeah, only I reach the sign here. Still have a long ways to go. Wow. Right, so I just came out of the dead zone and I'm at the 9 km mark. It's now 8:36. Good way second to go. First time seeing these large bird nests. Saw them on TikTok recently. But wow, they look really amazing. Back to the trail. Yeah, 10K mark. So guys, made it to the Bay Lookout Point, or whatever it is called here. Main Ridge Forest Reserve Orientation Center. That's what the sign says. Building looking nice and new. Time for downhill. So the time is 8:54 and I've reached the easy part of the trail. As a matter of fact, 10.5 km mark. But as much as I would want to coast on like that fill here, I can't because my legs are killing me. Oh my gosh. Look at this view. Wow. 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 Oh wow, look at this. Nah boy, wow. Jeez. So over there is plans for me. And things have no Tobago is just wow boy. Tobago
Workout
is,
paused.
wow. Let me see if I can zoom in some more. Damn. Back on the trail. 8:59 and I'm at 11K. So this is new. Reaching nice hummingbird food place with a view. I mean, I have time to stop and check it out. We in Bloody Bay. What they call it? Sherlands Nature Park. Yeah, take it in. Important information. Now passing the junction here. 14.5K. Half a K to go.
Workout paused.
Tifa shortcut boy? Nah, I go around the long way. There goes another one. Well, they could tell me about my island boy. Look at this now. Well, they could tell me about Tobago boy. Nah. Wow. Bloody Bay looking spectacular. I mean over there called. I believe it's called Gravel Bay. But wow. Lord. Look at Tobago. Somewhere nice. But somewhere very dangerous as well. in the jungle, the mighty jungle. I would like to believe that I'm seeing the finish line there, or at least it's the corner before the finish line. Still made it. Some more to go wide. Somebody lying then. How they saying 15.5k and the total supposed to be 15k? Somebody's clearly lying. Yeah, seen the finish line. Whoa.